Today, I'm going to show you guys how to use JotForm to create a Stripe order form. So, right, this is JotForm dashboard. Yes, so let's start. Go ahead and create a new form from scratch, the classic form. And let's drag in some basic elements like names, email, and now let's drag in the payment gateway for Stripe. So right here, click the payments, and then here is Stripe. Drag it. And now we have to connect Stripe, so let's go ahead and click on connect Stripe right here. You will be asked to log in if you're not. So here, and now we are connected, so let's go ahead and check the settings under the connect. Check if it is going to be live or test mode, and currency, yeah, and here additional gateway settings, and so many settings here, yeah, and then I click continue. So now we're able to create new products. So let's click it and let's put here smartphone example. The price for this $40. Yes, $40. Description 80 gram with freebies. Alright, so you can choose an image right here for your products. So go ahead and select an image, upload file. Alright, so now it's uploaded. We can add more image if we want. And here, so many settings again, just set up what you prefer. So now we're good. I will go click save product. So it's been added. So it's all good now, and we're going to preview this form. And there we go. We have the submission. We have here our name, email, and the product that we want, and details. And it goes to Stripe and you submit it. And so that's basically how you set up the payment for Stripe. Thanks for watching. And by the way, if you like what you've seen, check out the product links below down in the description. So when you click on one of the product links, I'll receive a small commission which helps support this channel. Thank you.